That sustainable American-made sofa? It might not actually be sustainable or American-made. Here's what they don't tell you. The wood may be responsibly harvested in North America, then shipped across the globe to Asia for milling and production, then sent back to the US for final assembly so they can call the product sustainable and American-made. But that's thousands of miles of unnecessary maritime shipping, millions of tons of greenhouse emissions, and heavy coastal air pollution, all for a marketing claim that looks good on a tag but doesn't hold up in reality. And if you're an eco-conscious homeowner, interior designer, property developer, or boutique business owner trying to make truly ethical, sustainable purchases, this matters, because even when your intentions are in the right place, greenwashed marketing makes it easy to buy into global supply chains that are the exact opposite of sustainable. That's why we started Sustainably Luxe Living. We're not just a curated store, we're a resource, a platform that teaches you how to spot greenwashing, understand what true sustainability and American manufacturing looks like, and make confident, aligned decisions about what you bring into your spaces. We only feature brands our experts have vetted and verified for transparent sourcing, ethical production, and true sustainability. No greenwashing. Total transparency. No global supply chains disguised as local craftsmanship. Why American made? Because sourcing and manufacturing closer to home is one of the most effective ways to reduce emissions, improve supply chain transparency, support local businesses, and create products that are as responsible as they are beautiful. And we don't stop at product recommendations. Our content helps you design a life that's more self-sufficient, more sustainable, and still luxurious. From modern homesteading ideas and off-grid energy solutions to high-end interiors and spa-inspired wellness spaces, you'll find weekly content that helps you design a more self-sufficient, sustainable, and truly eco-conscious lifestyle without compromising on luxury or aesthetics. Subscribe. If you want to know the real story behind what you're buying, hold brands accountable to their marketing claims, and change the industry with us. We're not here to sell you a trend. We're here to raise the standard for what eco-conscious really means and to help you live it beautifully.